Have you just got a new HP printer and want to know how to make the most out of it? Here are the simplified HP printer setup instructions. Begin by plugging in and powering on your HP printer. Wait for it to become idle. Now, download the HP Smart app on your smartphone. Connect your smartphone device to your Wi-Fi network wirelessly. To proceed, make sure you turn on your smartphone's Bluetooth and location. Upon opening the app, a Welcome to HP Smart screen appears. Click Accept All. For the first time, click Get Started to initiate this process. If already set up, click Add Printer or Complete Now. But make sure it is set up before and has a Wi-Fi network. Hence, the app will start searching for your printer. Tap Setup. Follow the on-screen instructions hereon to complete the setup process. Finally, you have learned to configure and set up your printer at home within minutes. Enjoy hassle-free printing.